How's the weather?
How's the weather, Thomas?
Huh?
How's the weather, Thomas?
Cold today, hot tamale.
Oh. Guys, this man is come and get him. Come and get him.
Hot tamale.
I got it. Cold today, hot tamale. We got it.
Hot tamale.
We got it.
Okay.
Lord have mercy. Yes. So we're out here selling some tamales. Here's Thomas.
How you doing?
How you doing? How you doing? He's feeling so amazing. God is good. We got our tamales here. Yes.
Roll your boat, down the street. Very life is
this man is weird, guys. See that sign say hot tamales? And it's a sign over there across the street pointing to us. And we set up and we sell out tamales. That's the way you do it down here in Mississippi. That's right. And it's a beautiful day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for all your blessings. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, let's look at these hot tamales here. Let's take a look. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. Oh yes. See, that's what I'm talking about.
They can see it separate.
Okay, he want me to show them to you guys. See those tamales? Ooh, you can't resist these bad boys. They are so good. Yes, look how beautiful these tamales
are. That's enough.
He said, I can't show you guys no more. He said, that's enough. I got to put the lid back on. Yes. There you go, guys. Hot tamales. Look at my collard greens I got.
Say what? Look at what?
Collard greens, I can't wait. I'm going to cook these babies up. They're beautiful collard greens. Fresh, look at that. Right out of the ground, right out of the earth. Look at that. I'm going to cook these up and I'm going to stuff me some portobello mushrooms with them. And have me some collard greens on the side.
All right, bye. See you later.
Tommy. Let me show you, guys, let me show you how you pick these greens. Now look how huge they are. I got them yesterday. They wilted a little bit. I was too tired yesterday after working out at the farmer's market to come home and pick them. But let me show you how you do it. You take the stalk. Now look how big this stalk is. It's humongous, right? But a lot of people clean their greens a lot of different ways. This is the best way that I find that works for me. You take the stalk and you just come down it like that. Look at that. You don't have to cut. Some people take them and they cut them, you know, piece by piece. Just take the stalk of greens. Okay, hold them on the end. Take your hand, kind of like a finger, like in a circular motion here, and you just peel down, and you get down to your nitty gritty there. You just, oh yeah, look at that. There's the stalk. Okay. So sometimes they don't come all the way down as far as you would like. So, you know, you can take that and kind of do a rough cut. I'm just throwing them over here, guys, in my sink as I take them off of here. It would have been a lot easier if I had done them yesterday, but I was just too tired. So just take and just pull it down. And this piece here, this little bit here, you probably might want to keep, or sometimes I like to keep some of that in there. Okay. See? comes through. Here. Come down. See? Look at all this stalk. I'm not going to take time by, some people take a knife on each one and they cut it down here. Some people take it and they do them like this, as I'm showing you, which is pretty easy too, and you get down more of the stem out, perhaps. But for me, I like to pick all those little good pieces. I find it so much easier to just come down. Awesome. That's done. I know you could look at this and become very intimidated, right guys? Don't let it intimidate you. Just pull it down. Have a little bit left over, take it off if you like. Have my trash can right by me and my sink right behind me. How to pick greens. How to much easier. Okay guys, I just thought I'd show you this real quick. I'm just gonna put this up for you. It's Sunday. I'm gonna get these ready for Sunday dinner. So I have to go ahead on and do this, and I think I'll post it real quick for you. I haven't been posting so much lately. I will come on and tell you what's going on. There's a lot going on. But babies, I'm gonna post this right now for you, okay, sweeties? I love you guys. Bye-bye.